Forgotten username recovery failed on Trading Economics fix. If you've struggled to recover your Trading Economics username, most people get this wrong by skipping verification steps or using outdated contact information. You won't believe how quickly you can regain access with the right approach. Step 1. Open the Trading Economics website and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Trading Economics will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login details. Step 2. Check your inbox carefully, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are sometimes filtered automatically, and multiple requests in a short time may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, prepare verification information such as your full name, date of birth, and recent activity on Trading Economics. Contact their support team directly. Providing details about recent subscriptions or saved reports can speed up verification. Step 4. Once your username is restored, save it securely in a password manager. Activating two-factor authentication adds extra protection and prevents future login issues. Following these steps carefully ensures that your Trading Economics account is quickly restored, so your access to economic data, charts, and analysis remains uninterrupted. Security and proper credential management are key to avoiding future problems.